Valorant skins are so expensive. I mean, look at these prices. Who can afford all of these skins? Especially when every month there's a new collection I want to get. I gotta figure out how to get these skins for free. Let me just search up on Google and see if I can find anything. Okay guys, after hours of searching and going through so many scam video tutorials and fake TikTok guides, I finally found the working method to get any Valorant skin you want for free. This method won't require any cheats or hacks either. You'll be able to get access to any skin you want. I found a way to get an insane amount of money for free on Cash App or PayPal or Amazon gift card. Let me explain. While I was scrolling on Reddit, I saw someone post this thread. They said they were able to get every Valorant skin for free with this hidden method. At first, I thought it was a scam because usually these kinds of things are super fake. But then I checked the comments and others were vouching and saying the method worked for them as well. So at this point, I started to believe it more. What I did was I messaged the person directly and asked them for more directions, and they responded and told me the entire method, and now I can share it with you guys. So basically, you just have to go to this site called 4ucash.com. And once you're on there, you just have to sign up, complete simple offers like playing games on your phone and completing questionnaires. Each task pays like $70, $110, and they only take like 5-10 minutes each to complete. If you invite friends, you get paid like $20 per sign up, which is so much. And also, if they complete offers, you get a % of that as well, which is insane. And they have a level system. If you reach level 5, which only takes like 1 day to get to, they give you a $2,000 bonus for free sent straight to your Cash App, PayPal, Amazon gift card, or crypto too. Oh, also, you get this super cool spy app that lets you spy on anyone's messages. And you can track their location for free without having their phone. It comes with the level 5 bonus. So yeah, you can pretty much log into all their social medias, see who they're texting, and so much more. It's an insane spy app. But anyways, you take the money you earned and buy whatever you want. You'd go buy Valorant skins, and you'd be getting it for free indirectly, basically. But let me break it down further so you fully understand everything. So all you have to do is sign up, then go to the invite section, and then take your link and you'll be able to start inviting friends and family. I recommend you send it out via messages, and then you can also make posts on TikTok or Instagram sharing your link as well. But the point is to get people to sign up fast, because if they sign up, you will get $20 for every sign up. So yeah, get people to sign up fast. But I highly recommend you guys use the level up system, as I was just chilling in my room while eating McDonald's and getting to level 5, so it went by really fast. What happens once you actually do get to level 5? It has a pop-up saying, I successfully got to level 5. That's great. And now it's asking for me to enter my Cash App tag, PayPal, or whatever. So I'm gonna enter my Cash App tag, and let's see if they're gonna actually send the money. Okay, let's open my Cash App. Wow, guys, look, I just received $2,000 from the bonus for getting to level 5. That's so amazing. So now I can take this money and use it for whatever I want. Oh, and also I got the Spy app. So as you guys can see, we can now use this Spy app, which allows me to spy on anyone's text messages, listen to their call history, and even open their apps like Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, or whatever it is and view everything they're doing. So you guys must try this out. Sign up on 4ucash.com today and start earning.